Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to set up this RC car right here. This is actually the WLtoys 124019 RC car, and I'm going to be going over an easy tutorial for setting it up and getting started from scratch. So this is basically how the RC car came. It came fully assembled in the box. It comes with 2 batteries. Okay, I only have one on the screen, but it comes with 2 batteries, and then you also have a transmitter right here. Okay, very simple. So first and foremost, you want to make sure that you have the batteries for the transmitter. Now in this case, if I open this up, you can see that it uses 4 AA batteries. So I've placed 4 AA batteries in there. Word of advice, you should not mix battery brands, but usually I use other batteries that are like much better in terms of their level of charge, but I have those batteries at a separate location right now, so I just put these in here just for this video. But as a rule of thumb, you don't really want to mix batteries, but you know, I'm just doing it like this just for this video. Okay, but you want to have 4 AA batteries in there. It's advisable to put the same brand and the same type of battery in there. Okay, next, you want to make sure that your battery is charged up, or at least charged up enough to drive. This one, I believe, should be fully charged as far as I can remember. And then you want to remove these little latches right here. So they just sort of slide off, okay? And they look like this, and they hold sort of the hood, as I would call it, the upper body in place. But you want to remove them just like that. And then you can remove the actual cover, okay? So you can see right here, the cover actually goes on with just these 2 little holes, okay? And then you have access to the battery compartment. Okay, so you can go ahead and plug your battery in. You can also secure it if you want to. For this video, I'm just going to plug it in quickly, just to keep it nice and simple. It only goes in one orientation, as you can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to plug it in. It only goes in one way, like I said. And you want to place your battery down, okay? And when you place your battery down in place, you also want to make sure that you are sort of tucking this down so that you can get your hood in place properly. Different people do it different ways. I just like to sort of tuck it down like that. You know, as long as the hood can go over and it is secured, you're good to go. And like I said, you can secure the battery down if that's what you want to do. Then you're going to place your hood back in place. Okay, let's just give me one moment here. Let me just get this set up properly. Place your hood back in place. It goes over those latches. Oh, sorry about that. I forgot the most important step. Before you place your hood back in place, you want to turn it on. So there's a little button right there. You see that little red button? Press and hold it down until you hear a beep. There you go. And we know we're good to go. So it's now powered on. We're going to place the hood in place. Like I said, we're going to place those little latches back in place. So just slide them on just like that. That just ensures that your upper cover just doesn't go like flying off, just like that. So they're nicely in place. This is not going anywhere. Then what you want to do is, I'm going to turn this way. That was just my air conditioner turning on. I apologize about that noise. I'm in my backyard right now. Then what you want to do is turn on the transmitter, okay? And you see the light right there. And what you're going to do is just kind of give it a touch, just a very, very light touch to make sure that it works. And you can see right here that it works. So I'm just very, very light touch. And this thing goes really fast. It has a lot of torque. It goes really fast, really easily. So you want to just give it a light touch, okay? As you can see, like I'm barely, look at that. I'm barely touching it and it is going fast, okay? So, there we go, okay. All right, I'm just gonna move it back my hand. So that's basically it. That is essentially how to set up your new WLtoys RC car. It's actually really easy to do. I'm going to place a link to this RC car in the description of this video. So if you're interested in it, be sure to check it out. Take a look, see if it's right for you and for your hobby. But I absolutely love it. And I just wanted to sort of show you how to set it up in this video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.